And here we go again with another app review, Quizlet, app or study aid extraordinaire. The topics that we're going to review Quizlet on are its device options, its degree of user friendliness, its educational viability, and its deployment options. First up are the device options. The device options for Quizlet are mobile devices, web-based, or desktop apps. Hey, Quizlet's both. You can get Apple products, or you can also get an Android product that will work for Quizlet. This gives you the option to study anywhere you go. Study, play games, learn your vocabulary or concepts a lot more in depth. Now, the degree of user friendliness. Both the app and the web version are highly user friendly. Very simple navigation bar, along with options like search, browse, and create. Very simple, very self-explanatory. Along the left-hand side, you will see your settings, along with any sets that you have created, any of your folders, any of your classes. Yes, it has its own Quizlet classroom. Any of your recent slides or slide decks, along with any that it might recommend that you use for any topics that you have expressed interest in over your time span on Quizlet. This information is nicely sectioned and appropriately displayed using the proximity principle, making learning and processing information more efficient. Now, for the educational viability aspect of it. In education, it's very important to make sure that the apps that you're using have a purpose. The purpose here is to create a better understanding of a topic, concept, or vocabulary. With this, you can simply either click Create and create your own study set based off of whatever your current subject is, or we can go to Browse, and you get a whole list of topics that you can browse by. If this were, say, chemistry class, and we were studying, let's say physical chemistry. Now I've got this whole list of physical chemistry topics that already have pre-created flashcards. With these, you can also go in and simply learn them. Click the flashcards. All you have to do is it gives you the card. You click the card and it gives you the term. Switch cards. It gives you one. You flip it over. And you keep on going through all of your terms. Now we'll go back. You also have the option to write your vocabulary term, which works well for younger students. Spell the vocabulary word. It will create a test for you. Then you can also play the games of matching, gravity, and play these games on Quizlet Live. Using these digital flashcards on Quizlet relies heavily on the dual coding theory. It employs narrations, sounds, graphics, and verbal cues to help create as many associations to concepts or terms. Like I said before, if you click Create and you create your own, you can see you have the option to add images, and in each one of these you can record narration or have specific sounds added that relay the association for the topic or the concept. Now, your deployment options. If we get all the way down here to the bottom and we click create, how do you want to share it out? Do you want to share it out on Google Classroom, on Remind? Do you want to send it as an email? Or it also gives you the link that you can send to other people or post in other learning management systems, or ever how you send out resources in your classroom. Now, the key here is for you to judge, is Quizlet the app or study aid extraordinaire? Thank you, and I hope you have a great evening.